Welcome back guys to another VXR episode. We're just moving in the arches today. I've done a little bit of work to one arch already. I'm going to show you the process I'm doing on the other arch. Obviously there's a lot of fiberglass involved in a certain area, so I haven't managed to film that unfortunately. So I'm just going to show you what I've done, explain what I've done, and then I will put you on time lapse while I finish the rest of the arch off. And then I'll show you both arches once they're complete, and hopefully you like the way they look. So on this arch I've put some fiberglass sheeting in, and then I've used fiberglass filler just to give it that little bit of extra strength. The reason I've done this is to block debris, dirt and moisture going between the fiberglass panel and the wing, just to stop it from, you know, rotting out, as I've put so much effort into sorting all the rust patches out and treating it all. On the other side I've already completed this one almost. I've just got to put one more skim of filler in after this, but as you can see I've started the filler work. It went a little bit wrong here, so I'm just touching this bit up before I put the final skim in. I've fiberglassed and filled the inside up already, as you can see, so it's nice and smooth in there now. What we've done is like the Ford RS, they have the wide arches on, don't they, where they have like a little step that comes out from the panel, which I've done here because smoothing it in would have looked awful. Because if you come around here, there's no way you're gonna like smooth it in on this edge, so I've gone for what I believe will be the best fitment and look the best on the car. So I hope you're really enjoying the content. We'll put you on time lapse now, and we'll get on with this other front arch. Right guys, I've finished this first skim I've put in. If I carry on time lapsing all the filler, it's just going to take a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish this arch off and then I'll show you the finished product. So we'll see you in a second. So welcome back. So I'll finish this off. It took a few extra skims, I'm not going to lie, but we are fitting lovely. I've got it nice in here, nice and smooth, and we're just going to leave this like this because I've seen them smoothed in and it hasn't looked that great, so I'm going to leave it like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this little episode. I know it's only a short one, but it's just me just doing filler work, neatening up the arches, making them look a lot better. So if you've liked it, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.